Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of Transmax's latest version online money transfer platform website script. So by using this script you can create your own money transfer platform within just 5 minutes. So viewers, in this video I will give you the complete demo of this website. And if you want to buy the source code from us, do contact us on WhatsApp and we will also provide you complete support. So you don't need to worry about anything. So let's start this video. And first of all, here you can look at its amazing homepage and you will get this website with 3 different templates. Here you can see there is option to convert currency and you can completely control this website from admin panel. So here you can see that there is USD and you can convert currency from XAF or INR to any other currency you want from here, and you can control this from admin panel. And viewers, if you want to change anything, each and everything is changeable from admin panel, so you can change it from admin. Here you can see that how you can send hassle-free money. Here you can list about your users, people that are using this website. You can list about the features of this website, and everything is controllable from admin. And here you can list your global transfers in different countries. You can show referral commissions. So when people will refer other people to this website, so they will also get some commission on referral. And viewers, you can also insert blogs on the website, and this is a footer section, so you can see the amazing footer section. You can change the logo and insert your own logo. Here you can visit these pages: about page, blog page. You can change the language. You can also visit these pages separately. Now let's log in and see how we can control this website. So here you can see this is a login page. Now if you don't have an account, you must have to create an account by going to sign up. But we have account, so this is sign up option, but we already have an account, so we will just directly log in with our existing details. So now it will log us into our user panel of this website, and you can see how amazing its user panel is. And from here you can completely control your website. So first of all, user can see all its balance in USD, transfer money over here. So you can see your available balance, your main account, your total commission, total tickets, total withdrawals, and referred users. Here you can transfer money from one account to another. You can see all your transaction, deposit option, withdrawal option, and this is your referral link. So here you can also see the graphs of investments. So this is the money transfer option. So from here you can transfer money from one recipient account to another recipient account. So here you can see recipient email, source of earning. You have to show the sending purpose, and you can easily transfer money from USD or any other currency to other currency from here. And you can pay with wallet or you can pay with balance, so it completely depends on you. These are the deposit methods. So you have to deposit money on the website, and you can do that by using any of the automatic gateways. So these are all the gateways on the website that you can insert from admin panel. You can enable them, disable them, it completely depends on you. And you can send and receive money using this. So this is a withdraw, so you can also withdraw money using any of the gateway you want. Here you can see all your transfer logs, your transaction history over here. You can see all your money send request, receive request. In this section, this is a report, so you can see deposit log, withdrawal log, transaction log, commission logs. And here you will see all your notifications. And you can also generate support ticket for support. So viewers, this is the user panel of this website. Now if you want, you can also see notification over here in this section. So you can see all notification. You can change your account profile setting, 2FA. So it completely depends on you. Now we will go to its admin panel, and I will show you how its admin will looks like. So to go to admin panel, just type /admin over here. So this is the admin panel, and now here I have to put my admin details. So here I will put my password, and now here I have to enter my email or password. So I will enter this detail, and when I click on login, it will log me into my admin panel of this website. So viewers, here you can see that I have successfully logged into my admin panel of this website. First of all, you can see the amazing look of its admin panel, how amazing its admin panel is. So you can see total transfer, total pending transfer, total users, active users, all the details about users are here, so you can view them. You can see total automatic gateways, tickets, Here you can see all the notification of deposit, withdrawals, each and everything is here, and you can manage each and everything from this admin panel. From manage currencies, so you can insert currencies from any currency of the world you want to manage. You can do it from here. Just click on add currency, and from here you can add currency easily. Viewers, from here you can manage the users of website. So you go to manage user and you can completely edit and view all the users on the website. So you can change their details, you can add balances to their account, you can subtract balance from their account. It completely depends on you. So from here you can manage the complete user related activities. This is KYC setting. You can make KYC forms and KYC request settings. So you can manage the support tickets on the website. You can manage the referrals. So from here you can manage different levels of referrals you want to give. So just enter the number of referral and give commission, and you can manage them. From here you can approve or reject the payment requests of users. So here you can see all the payment requests of user, deposit requests. So you can approve them, reject them, or view their details from here. So this is how you can approve or reject them. From manage withdraw, you can create a withdraw methods, and just go to add withdraw method, and you can simply add a withdraw method to website. You can approve or reject the withdrawal request, same like deposit. You can see all the user investment interest logs. Here you can see all transfer log, external transfer, pending transfer, complete transfers, rejected transfers. So you can manage all these transfers from here. You can view them and you can change their details. So you can see all the transfer logs. You can approve them or reject them. So viewers, you can see all deposit logs over here, transfer logs over here. This is all the gateway settings. So you can create your own gateway. So all automatic gateways are here. You can manage them. Just go to gateway and fill your own details. Now if you want to create any of your banking gateway, USDT gateway, just go to create gateway and you can create any of the gateway you want. So it's completely simple and easily manageable money transfer solution website. You can manage the email settings from here. This is general settings option. So let me go to just general settings, and you can change the website title. You can change the currency of website, color of website, deposit bonus of website. You can turn on of email verifications, SMS verification, KYCs. You can change the logo of website, images that are on the website. Each and everything is changeable. So here are transfer settings. So you can manage all the transfer settings, field settings. So you can manage those fields from here. And you can insert multiple requirements add field from here. Viewers, you can manage the preloader settings, Google Analytics, cookie settings, Google reCAPTCHA. You can insert live chat. From manage theme, you can insert multiple themes on the website. So currently you can see there are 3 themes on the website, and we are using this one, but you can change website to this theme or this theme also. So it's completely easy and easily changeable. This is the front end setting. From language setting, you can insert multiple languages on the website, and viewers can use this website in multiple languages. So from front end, you can completely edit a home page of website. For example, I want to edit the banner section. So this is how you can edit the banner section simply. You can easily change the text. You can change the image, choose file and upload image. And similarly, each and every section is editable. So you can see all the sections on the website and all are editable. So viewers, in this video, I completely guided you about this money transfer solution website. Now, if you need this complete end-to-end website, just contact us. And if you need only script, the WhatsApp link is in the description. You can contact us and buy this script from us, and we will also provide you complete support. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel and be happy.